Let's take a look at the top headlines first. Additional security forces to be deployed at 38 places, CM Biren. Amit Shah to visit Manipur on Monday for 3 days. Amit Shah visits Guwahati but skips Manipur, which is burning, says Jairam Ramesh. And curfew relaxed for Imphal West and East till 12 noon, Bishnupur 11 am. Restrictions in Imphal East. Hello and welcome to ELITETV English News. I'm Utpala. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. Additional security forces to be deployed at 38 places, stated CM N. Biren Singh in a press meet held at CM Secretariat today. Education Minister T.H. Vasantakumar, Water Resources Minister Awangbaw Nyumai, Social Welfare Minister Dinko and other ministers and MLAs attended the press meet. Churachandpur, Moray for Hills and in Imphal, places like Langol, Paiteveng, Khongsaiveng, etc. have been provided security forces to prevent any untoward incidents. Operation against armed militants has been initiated and action will be taken up against anti-nationals. Talks with United Naga Council and church leaders have taken place to bring peace and normalcy back in the state. Do not believe rumors about armed people on the roads, and the central government has taken up stringent measures to bring back peace and keep the integrity of the state of Manipur intact, and to have faith in the central government.
Center ki adugumba Union Home Ministry of State nita indare ma huji laktana ngarang dagi ekoi gi leiriba difference civil society organization mayam unadana aduga ekoi gi state ki pravari Samit Paterji yauna tawdana makhal makhagi mayam unadana leiriba grievances problems karmaina tawda ge kari tackle tawda ge haibana singma mayam kana naina dana kan honari kangkok pi amadi Sosampur loina nama more mayam si round unadana tawgani aduga honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji Lakri Baba Nita Resma Sidalagani, Aduna Center, Yam Serious Wina, Tauri, the Huzimakada, Hakim Mangusu, in Home Minister Misaji, Pontorokana Kogi, stock day to day, Sana Tangnaba, Lady Mayamsi, commodities Mayamsiki, Karifim lay rate, Hangar Pakokar Patogana, Hangami, Adugi Watpalaitanaba, 37 Simekoi, free the Yamkana, Sananabasa Susali, Adugakoi, Kankopi area, the lady Basikoi. Yang kana repeatedly arang sumui tim lak kana wari kana sanaraga tawri athuba matamna sisu hangani habi koi thajabal lei aduna hairiba Union Home Minister lakpasida amisaji lakpa matam sida koi Manipur gi silinau singna lebiriba prajapuna mona bot hil sena prema magi aningba pambadu phajana marik chumna thamba yanana ba mayamna shanti raksha phajana ngakna leminasi haiba appeal aduga nungtigi honorable Amit Shah ji monitor tawba lepte ahang ba jaga awar pa jaga da security na hanmakta da security khara watli sumaina food hills ta haiba kanda another company kunnama BSF ki aduga CRPF ki thabi raktana huji awang awat pasing mainly huji phawbuda koi around 34,000 kumba paramilitary forces of side ge la kana koi deploy tore on the Mayampunama government, Bala Sarkar, and State Sarkar, the Tazaba Tambu, Manipur Miam, and Mipai Biganu, Haidamukana Yapil. Manipur Gimiam, the in Apilam Tanga, Marilla, never seen the Apilamaka Tonglingwasi, Akoigi, Manipur, Kanodagi, Handaki, Tokibatarik, Ohum Marigi, to the police stations in the Kari Laki, Kulaisi, Lissinamagi Matatani. On Hojipau, they couldn't recover Toriba, Mayam, the Hankat Piraisi, 495 Kutangari. Aduna Mashima di Ekoi Home Ministry Maiki the Natana State Government Maiki the Mashiko Yam Sereso in Eloi, Aduna Yaraga Dingasi, no Ninis Data, Hariba, what low riba, Tingat Piba, Piraka the Wali, Placing a say, a two with the Tingat Pirakanda, Hayang Armina Karina operation to work Korpa Mamala Akana Madeda, Mipami Punto, Rugamadugi, Ain Giweba, Ruba Satkibadu, Equation Wise, they don't know who's Pogi winner. I quit the Piriba, I quit the lady commencing who's in my pum the crack right in the moina, Tinkalamba the Tana, Tamama the Madugi, Gaspan the Bugi, how boy quit the Madugi, Piri, and the Yaragadi, Logi Riba, Mundiri, at the weekly population of the Tuamatam, police the Yonanaba, or any Lampaka, Tambiram Gera, Club the Tambiram Gera, any Zagan, the Tambiram Gera, the Orokan, the high population is here too, but the government, the Yohun View, Haidana.
On the other hand, Water Resources Minister Awangbo Nyumai said that 15 MLAs met Union Home Minister Amit Shah and he assured additional security forces have been provided and he will visit the affected victims on his trip to Manipur and assured to bring back normalcy in the state at the earliest.
Akiba Leibigno government Tazava Tambiu, Akoi Soidana. State asi athubada peace mukpurangnaba honorable matakta masayona koi honorgani habse koi the assurance bajana pv government bu thazaba thamberaga state asi mang thana amuk permanently akoi peace lainanaba ai soidna honorgani habse akoi honorable home minister assurance ni aduna koi delegate chu akoi na haibiyaba meyam ge wakhanda leiba koi meyam khangi prajana ngasi Zati Punamagna Mama Wakanda sentiment sopa Sumain Lady Poli Habamiam Zakoi delegates members Ayamana Sumaina Koye Home Minister Mamang the Pondo Pakanda Mahanga Su Akoy sentiments in Masiertawi Ado Soidana central government to lay state government to lay Ado Prasasing Tazabit Tambiu I Koi Soidana Atubada situation as a normal the Purakini, Adu Loidana, Akoi Mayamda, Zanai Tagnai, Wallakadra, Hina, Akoi Kiduna Labor Mayam Sisu, what Halloy? How's it situation as a normal Purana Honor Bump Galoidana, Akoi essential quantities Mayamsu, Mayam the Watana Pigini, have seen Magi assurance near the Napazam Yam Sosi, Pausi PBU, Hina Mahame Sokogi, Tambi.
The Union Minister of State of Home Affairs Nityanand Rai on Thursday announced that Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be visiting Manipur and stay for about 3 days in connection with the unrest prevailing in the state. Nityanand told the media at Darbar Hall of CM Secretariat Baupara, Imphal on Thursday that the Union Minister will be visiting Manipur on Monday. He will try to talk with the victims of the ongoing clash and visit the villages and reach out to the people personally and hear their grievances during his visit.
अहम है मणिपुर के लिए माननीय गृह मंत्री जी का 29 मई से लेकर 1 जून तक का प्रवास यहाँ किसी को भयभीत होने की जरूरत नहीं है सबको विश्वास के साथ आगे बढ़ने की जरूरत है बात करने की जरूरत है और जब माननीय गृह मंत्री जी खुद 3-4 दिन के लिए यहाँ आ रहे हैं मणिपुर के भाइयों बहनों से मेरा अपील है कि आप भरोसा रखें शांति के पथ पर चलें और माननीय गृह मंत्री जी निश्चित रूप से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की प्रेरणा में मणिपुर के भलाई के लिए ही करेंगे सबके साथ न्याय होगा और सबके विकास के रास्ते अग्रसर होगा
Reacting to Union Home Minister Amit Shah's Assam visit, Congress leader Jairam Ramesh said that Shah went to Guwahati but did not deem it necessary to visit Manipur, which has been burning for 22 days. He added this is the same minister who held 16 rallies and 15 road shows in Karnataka but cannot find time for the people of Manipur. The House of Minister of State for External Affairs and Education Rajkumar Ranjan Singh in Manipur's Imphal was attacked on Thursday night. The attackers reportedly tried entering the house. They seem to have come prepared for burning the house. They are angry over the death of a Meitei man in Bishnupur, an eyewitness said. Meanwhile, Singh called the attack politically motivated. A peace rally jointly organized by Meitei Pangal, Kabui and Meitei in Bishnupur district was taken out in Bishnupur district today. The rally was held peacefully. The protesters demanded the removal of paramilitary forces, non-extension of Sioux agreement and appealed to bring peace and harmony and return to normalcy in the state. This was expressed by Bishnupur Apunbanupilo President L. Pramona to the media in a press meet. The peace rally started from Bishnupur Forest Gate. However, Bishnupur Police OC N. Dinesh and SDPO Dibijoy ordered police personnel to stop the rally at Government Girls High School. The rally was attended by a large number of people from different communities. Banners, placards with different slogans like "Go Back Indian Army," "We Want Peace," and "Integrity of Manipur will not be broken" were displayed during the rally. Speaking to media persons, many protesters said they want peace and harmony in the state. Bishnupur Apunbanupilo President L. Pramona also stated that people living in relief camps must be able to go back to their original homes, stop trying to start a civil war in Manipur and let the state force have the authority to do their duties, and also that the people have no faith in the central force.
Militant Number 1. Aduga NRC asit sana hanbiro maramdi kuki na supamgani NRC satpa adagi na Meitei na supami naga na supami karigino habda akoigi national register citizen tawbasida kanana apan bipi dawrige ngasi phawda si sana hanbidre si kaigino athu bada sana hanbire hairaga akoigi tarang na mito miyan cha sing yaw de bida yamni ingtha tap thaba Kundo, Laibak to Hanbiro, Hibasisu, Aquina, MP da, Adagina, Sarkar Party, Chief Minister da, Sarkar Party, Councils of Minister da, MLA sing da, Aquina, Praza, Amo, in appeal to Zaningi.
Miam na koi bunung ay tabating nga si Toglay basi. Makoy na ay koi Meitei mayam sigda simi tamit tawlagan la nga si Tawri basi niya duna ay koi athoba matamda sarkar paibiri basing na. Aya athoba matamda lairiba lilip kanda lairiba lilip ke mapam kuni magda lairiba kuni magche tangdu laitana shanti oina bai namakta senbi yo athoba matamda adu natragadi ay koi nupi mayam gi ihok dana maki civil war ama tholakani haibachidi khanbi yo chief minister na amadi Indian Prime Minister na khanbi gadabani aduna khoi gi ngasi akhoi chathariba khongjang ase asidagi hen phawda khoi jangjalakani aduna praja singna ngasi nungai tribaje thamoida ai khoi gi khoi gi pela military force na Makoy sing na changthalaga makoy lakpa matamda khoi yam nungai jai makoy laga khoi awaba puna makog ni haidana khoi na khalakanda ngasi di moi changa la je chungnem nem daba asiba ana bagi pawda taba kamna bai kabo chunglep de tise kari maram gino masi kari maram gino akhoi praja sing thamoi kari pen gane na khali bano akhoi isa mak iram damji da thokraga ju lamdam madu da thoiba mayam jina chelaga lilu kem lei bache akhoi thamoi da chai akhoi thamoi da chai kari Makano knowing a Chibao Yang Bidi Bate, Anuna Pela military force, Sambayaroi, is that force topic Gadamani, Town Gadabani, a going a Chibao Tingani, I do a sit again, but Kongan Kayakas or Sanjalakani.
Addressing a press meet at the school's Sangakpam premises, EK Higher Secondary School Secretary Pangayjam Sarachandra said that the internet shutdown has severely affected the careers of students. It has been 22 days since the government shut down internet, and as a result, people in different domains are unable to access important services related with health, education, banking, business, and professional services. Most importantly, students are missing deadlines for different educational opportunities, including Common University Entrance Test, which is scheduled for May 29th, and NEET held on May 7th but deferred for the state's candidates. However, considering the situation, it is not sure if NEET for the state will be held or not, and in case the authority annuls NEET for the state this year, it will be a great loss for medical aspirants, he expressed. Such lack of attention by the central government is creating a sense of uncertainty among the people of the state. he stated while drawing the attention of the central government to restore peace at the earliest. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pakna pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mateng pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba taujari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. As the law order situation has improved gradually in Imphal East and West, curfew has been relaxed till 12 noon today in few districts. Last night, orders had been issued by the magistrates of both the districts. The order notified that curfew will not be lifted in the areas of Ayangpali Road along Lamlong Bazaar to Yonglan Lerag, Imphal River from Thambuthong to Lamlong Bridge via Minuthong, Lamlong Bazaar and Yonglan Lerag to Thambuthong via Puja Lampak and Thangapat Mapal. However, in Bishnupur district, curfew has been relaxed till 11 a.m. Markets and shops were opened during the curfew relaxation in 3 districts. Markets and shops were opened. People rushed to the market and shops to purchase essential items during curfew relaxation. In connection with the prevailing restive situation in Manipur, some of the Kuki MLAs led by Minister Nimcha Kipkin and Kuki civil society organizations CSOs met with Nagaland Chief Minister Naifurio at the Nagaland CM's Secretariat in Kohima on Thursday. The Kuki delegation also included Saikul MLA Kim Nyo Hangshing and Saitu MLA Hau Kolet Kipken and leaders of different Kuki CSOs. According to a report, the team urged the Nagaland government to extend their support in addressing the plight and grievances of the Kuki community as well as in resolving the communal violence in Manipur. Mention may be made here that the 10 Kuki MLAs, including 7 MLAs of the ruling BJP, had demanded for separate administration in addition to meeting Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Mizoram CM Zoramthanga and other national leaders while holding the Meitei community responsible for the ethnic violence. Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera criticized the BJP government for distributing fortified rice despite caution by the experts saying that 80 crore Indians are given poison. He added, according to the researchers of Niti Aayog, fortified rice is harmful for patients with hypertension and diabetes. Rice is being distributed without any guidelines. Health of people are being compromised. Deputy Chairman of Russia's Security Council, Dmitry Medvedev, has said Ukraine war will last a very long time, most likely decades. Reiterating Russia's claim that Ukraine is a Nazi state, he added, as long as there is such a power in place, there will be, say, 3 years of truce, 2 years of conflict, and everything will be repeated. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal sought a meeting with Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. He tweeted that he is seeking Congress's support against the centre's ordinance on the Delhi services matter. Notably, Congress's Pawan Khera has said Kejriwal is the only Delhi CM who wants full powers to function and is blaming external factors for his failure. The armed forces of the Russian Federation have killed nearly 700 Ukrainian soldiers along the front line, the country's defense ministry said on Thursday. 8 HIMARS and MLRS shells and 28 Ukrainian drones were also destroyed during the attack, the ministry said. Meanwhile, Deputy Chairman of Russia's Security Council Dmitry Medvedev has said that the Russia-Ukraine war could last for decades. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitv.in or 940-289-0982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's look at the top headlines once again. Additional security forces to be deployed at 38 places, CM Biren. Amit Shah to visit Manipur on Monday for 3 days. Amit Shah visits Guwahati but skips Manipur, which is burning, says Jairam Ramesh. And curfew relaxed for Imphal West and East till 12 noon, Bishnupur 11 AM, restrictions in Imphal East. That's all we have for now. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.